Welcome back to Zoria's Kitchen. Today on the menu we have one of the most easiest, delicious pasta recipes you'll ever come across and you'll ever need. The average cost of pasta at a restaurant is roughly $20 per plate. What if I told you that you could make delicious pasta at home for less than $1? Let's take a look at the ingredients for this recipe. You will need 1 packet of spaghetti or pasta of your choice, 1.5 cups of sour cream, 1 cup of salsa, 1 cup of oil, 1 large onion chopped, 2 cups of pasta sauce, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a cup of garlic paste. I'm using a homemade version, but you can also use minced garlic as well, and 1 teaspoon of the following spices: black pepper, paprika, chili powder, chili flakes, and Italian herbs or Italian seasoning. The first thing you want to do is heat up 1 cup of oil in a deep dish, pan, or pot. Once your oil is hot, add your chopped onions, garlic paste, and stir gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your tomato sauce and your salsa and stir that until everything is combined. Next, add your dry spices and mix until everything is combined. Cook your sauce for 10 minutes, making sure to gradually stir in between every few minutes to prevent the sauce from sticking to the bottom of your pan. In a separate pot, bring 6 to 8 cups of water to a boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. I like to leave my spaghetti long, but you can also snap your spaghetti in half to reduce the length. It's all based on your personal preference. I'm going to cook my pasta for exactly 8 minutes. While the pasta is boiling, take half a cup of pasta water from the boiling pot and combine it with your sour cream. Once everything is mixed, set that aside because we are going to add this to our tomato sauce momentarily. Here's a cool trick to get perfect al dente pasta every single time. Get 1 piece of spaghetti, tie it into a knot, and pull from each end. If it snaps easily, that means your pasta needs more time to cook. However, if it snaps after 2 to 3 pulls, it means that your pasta is perfectly al dente. Once your pasta is ready to go, it's time to strain the pasta and let it rest for a few minutes while we finish up the sauce. Reduce the heat to medium to low and stir your sauce a few times before adding the sour cream mixture. Once you've added your sour cream mixture, cook the sauce down on medium-low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to add in your spaghetti. Combine the sauce with the spaghetti and let the pasta soak up all the sauce for at least 5 minutes before serving. And there you have it, your $1 pasta ready within 15 minutes. You can garnish with shredded cheese or fresh herbs and serve it with garlic bread or enjoy it as a side. The possibilities are endless. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And thanks for watching. Until next time.